Now I've been testing out the Polar Vantage M3 sports watch for the last few weeks towards my full in-depth review, as well as a comparison between Polar, Garmin, Suunto and Coros sports watches. But using all of these watches and apps means all of my workouts are scattered all over the place. But there's one app that I tend to use and synchronize all of my runs and workouts to, and that place is called Strava. And in this video, I'll show you how to sync your runs and other GPS workouts from your Polar watches to Strava. Now to do this, first open up the Polar Flow app on your phone and head over to the menu by pressing these three lines in the top left corner. Then press General Settings at the bottom. Here you'll see this Partners section for connecting to various third-party apps. Press Connect, then OK, and then press Connect again for Strava. You'll then be shown the screen explaining what you can do whilst connected to Strava, like downloading offline routes to your Polar watches, competing with friends, and so on. Now scroll down and press this Connect with Strava button. Now this next page shows you what Polar can and can't do whilst it's connected to your Strava account. Scroll down and press OK. Next, you can choose what Polar Flow can do within your Strava account. I just leave all of them checked and then press the Authorize button. And that's it. All your runs as well as other GPS enabled workouts recorded on your Polar watch hereafter should automatically sync to Strava. Now to disconnect Strava from your Polar Flow app for whatever reason, head back to the menu, then General Settings, Connect, and then press this disconnect button for Strava. Confirm the disconnection and that will now stop syncing your Polar data to Strava. So that's how you sync your Polar watch to Strava. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure you press that like button and don't be shy from pressing that subscribe button as well, especially if you don't want to miss out on a deep dive into the new Garmin Instinct 3, as well as an epic comparison between Polar, Suunto, Garmin, as well as Coros running watches. See you in the next one.